Most people in Ireland are using digital wallets every single day, without realizing they are either saving money or quietly losing it through hidden fees and missed rewards. And the biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming all digital wallets work the same way. They don't. Some are just payment tools, some are banking apps, and a few actually help you reduce costs, earn rewards, and manage your money smarter without changing your lifestyle. Here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, digital wallets in Ireland are no longer just about tapping your phone at a shop. They are financial systems that control how you spend, how you track money, and how efficiently you manage your daily life. And if you use them correctly, you can reduce fees, improve security, and sometimes even earn rewards automatically. In this video, you are going to learn the 10 best digital wallets in Ireland for 2026. But more importantly, you will understand how each one actually works, when to use it, and how smart users combine them to get maximum value. Now, here is something most beginners miss. There is no single perfect wallet in Ireland. The real advantage comes from using multiple tools strategically. Let's start immediately, because the first one is already used by millions of people in Ireland every single day. Number 1 is Apple Pay. Apple Pay is one of the most widely used digital wallets in Ireland. You can use it in supermarkets like Tesco, Dunnes Stores, Lidl, in cafes, restaurants, and almost every major retail shop that supports contactless payments. But here is where most people get confused. Apple Pay itself does not give cashback or rewards. It is simply a secure payment system. The rewards depend entirely on the debit or credit card linked to it. For example, Jake in Dublin uses Apple Pay linked to his AAB debit card. Every time he taps his phone, the payment is instant and secure, but any cashback or benefits come from AAB, not Apple Pay. Now here is the problem. Many users assume Apple Pay is a reward system. It is not. It is only the payment layer. But here is where it gets interesting. Apple Pay is extremely powerful in Ireland because it is widely accepted and integrates smoothly with Irish banking systems like AEB, Bank of Ireland, and Permanent TSBTA. And in a minute, I will show you a wallet that actually gives direct cashback or savings without depending heavily on traditional bank cards. Let's move to number 2, Google Wallet. Google Wallet is the main competitor to Apple Pay in Ireland, especially for Android users. Just like Apple Pay, Google Wallet does not directly offer cashback. It stores your debit and credit cards and allows you to pay securely using your phone. For example, Sarah in Cork links her Bank of Ireland and Revolut cards to Google Wallet. Every payment goes through her bank, and rewards depend on her card provider. But here is the catch. Google Wallet is only as powerful as the cards you connect. If your card has no rewards, Google Wallet does not create any extra value. Now here is where it gets interesting. Google Wallet allows you to switch between multiple cards quickly, which helps you optimize spending for groceries, fuel, or travel. In a minute, I will show you a wallet in Ireland that actually gives you real cashback style benefits without needing premium credit cards. Let's move to number 3, Revolut. Revolut is one of the most popular digital banking apps in Ireland, especially among young professionals, students, and travelers. Revolut is not just a wallet. It is a full digital banking system that allows you to hold multiple currencies, track spending in real time, and avoid expensive foreign transaction fees. For example, Alex in Dublin uses Revolut when traveling across Europe. He avoids currency conversion fees and sees every transaction instantly in his app. Now, here is where it gets interesting. Depending on your subscription plan, Revolut can offer cashback rewards on selected merchants and special deals. But here is the catch. Many of the best features are locked behind paid plans. So Revolut is powerful, but not always free at full value. Let's move to number 4, Apple Pay with Irish bank cards. While Apple Pay is the wallet, its real power in Ireland comes from linked bank cards like AIB, Bank of Ireland, and Revolut cards. These cards sometimes offer cashback, reward points, or travel benefits depending on your account type. For example, Mike in Galway uses an AE credit card linked to Apple Pay and earns reward points on daily spending. But here is the problem. The wallet itself does not generate rewards. The bank card does. Now, here is where it gets interesting. In Ireland, your financial rewards depend more on your bank products than the wallet you use. Let's move to number 5. Google Pay integrations with Irish banks. Google Pay in Ireland works very similarly to Apple Pay and is supported by most major banks. It allows contactless payments using your phone without needing a physical card. For example, Emma in Dublin uses Google Pay linked to her Bank of Ireland account for everyday shopping. But here is the catch. Like Apple Pay, rewards depend entirely on your bank or credit card. Now here's where it gets interesting. Google Pay is a convenience layer, not a reward system. Let's move to number 6, PayPal. PayPal is extremely popular in Ireland for online shopping and international payments. It is widely used on websites like eBay, Amazon, and many global stores. The biggest advantage of PayPal is security. You don't need to share your bank details with every website. For example, John in Limerick shops online using PayPal linked to his credit card. He still earns rewards from his bank while enjoying PayPal protection. But here is the problem. PayPal is mainly useful for online transactions, not daily in-store payments. Now, here is where it gets interesting. PayPal is best used as a secure online payment layer, not a daily wallet. Let's move to number 7, Revolut Pro. Revolut Pro is designed for freelancers and small business users in Ireland. It allows users to accept payments, manage income, and track business spending. For example, David in Dublin uses Revolut Pro for his freelance work and separates business income from personal spending automatically. Now here is where it gets interesting. Revolut Pro sometimes offers cashback on business-related spending or partner deals. But here is the catch. It is more business-focused than personal rewards. Let's move to number 8, iBanking app Tile. IB is one of the largest banks in Ireland, and its app is widely used for daily banking. It allows users to manage accounts, approve payments, and track spending instantly. For example, Lisa in Dublin uses the IAB app to monitor her salary and daily expenses. But here's the problem. IB does not focus heavily on cashback rewards. It focuses on reliability and financial control. Now here's where it gets interesting. Traditional banks in Ireland prioritize security over rewards. Let's move to number 9, Bank of Ireland app. Bank of Ireland's app offers similar features, including payments, account management, and budgeting tools. For example, Kevin in Cork uses it to manage bills and track spending. But here is the catch. Like most Irish banks, it does not offer strong cashback features through the wallet itself. Now here is where it gets interesting. Rewards come from credit cards, not banking apps. Finally, number 10, Samsung Wallet. Samsung Wallet is used by Samsung phone users in Ireland and combines payments, loyalty cards, and secure access features. It allows contactless payments using stored cards and integrates with supported banks. But here is the reality. Samsung Wallet does not provide strong standalone cashback. It depends entirely on linked cards. For example, users may occasionally receive promotions, but it is not a core reward system. Now, here is where it gets interesting. Samsung Wallet is best for convenience, not financial optimization. Now, let's bring everything together because this is where most people finally understand the real system. There is no single best digital wallet in Ireland. Each one serves a different purpose. Apple Pay is best for fast contactless payments. Google Wallet is best for Android users and card flexibility. Revolut is best for multi-currency and travel. PayPal is best for online shopping security. IEB and Bank of Ireland apps are best for banking control. Google Pay and Apple Pay are best for convenience. Credit cards provide the real cashback and rewards layer. Samsung Wallet is best for ecosystem convenience. But here is the biggest mistake people make. They try to use one wallet for everything. That is exactly why they miss rewards, efficiency, and savings opportunities. Now, here is the smart strategy in 2026. Use Apple Pay or Google Wallet for daily spending. Use Revolut for travel and currency exchange. Use PayPal for online shopping. Use your bank app for account control. Use credit cards for cashback optimization. This is how smart users in Ireland build a full financial system instead of relying on one app. And here's the final insight most people never realize. Digital wallets are not just payment tools. They are financial systems that control how efficiently you manage your money every day. Every fee avoided, every optimized payment, and every reward earned adds up significantly over time. Now let's quickly summarize. Apple Pay and Google Wallet provide convenience. Revolut provides global flexibility. PayPal provides online security. Bank apps provide financial control. Credit cards provide cashback rewards. Samsung Wallet provides ecosystem convenience. If you combine them correctly, you are not just using apps anymore. You are building a complete financial strategy. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment your favorite wallet in Ireland, and subscribe because the next video will show you how Europeans are stacking credit cards with digital wallets to maximize cashback legally, without changing their spending habits.